creaky chair. Hi friends, thank you for coming back to the channel. My name is Iris Arlette, aka Apricot, however you like to pronounce it. And I just want to welcome y'all to the room reveal video. I am so happy to be in this new bedroom and completely furnished, completely moved in, not necessarily completely painted, and I will reiterate that every chance that I get. I can't believe it's been over a year and a half. We are finally at a state where I can just chill out and actually enjoy the state of the room. You guys got to see the transitional phases, and some of them weren't too pretty, but you can definitely see the changes in my videos. I'm just gonna keep it short, keep it light, keep it cute. Without further ado, here is the room review. I hope you guys enjoyed this room reveal, and once again, thank you so much for joining me throughout this journey. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the 2 videos a month a routine thing or if it'll be like every once in a while. I know that I do want to post a little bit more this year, but it just depends on how life goes. Go ahead and give this video a like if you want, subscribe if you want, leave a comment down below if you want. I shall catch you guys in the next one.